Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Porsche Carrera 4 Cabriolet. This one is silver. Underneath the hatch is a 3-liter twin-turbo flat 6 pushing out 370 horsepower and 331 pounds of torque. For wheels, we got 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior. 7-speed dual clutch transmission, a black soft top, Porsche 911 Carrera 4 badging, memory seats, power windows, driver seat functions, trunk and hood latch, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. Our different driving functions, we have Sport, Sport Plus, and 2 other features. Touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, our keys for media display, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, our functions for our retractable top, traction control, suspension adjustments. This 911 Carrera 4 has 8,223 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Porsche 911 Carrera 4 Cabriolet, check out feldmanimports.com.